The human soul survives for freedom of speech, and even equal benefits can never replace the art of freedom. No individual or people can achieve anything without industry suffering and sacrifice. The Constitution is one of the first essentials on which our future and progress are based. The highest character and integrity must be developed, and all personal ambitions must be raised for the common good of the nation. The nation can never give up unless every skeptic is determined to do his duty. Freedom is protected by rules, not by passion. Never compromise on principles. People who have achieved greatness and evil have followed strictly over the years, showered everything for your purpose. Cowards die again and again, and the brave one dies only once. Great achievements require huge efforts, without which our progress sound to be slow. Please like and subscribe my channel.